welcome back. I've been wanting to do a succulent garden for such a long time, but it's hard to get succulent plants here, like good qualities. I went to a nursery nearby us and he was selling the plants for like rupees 300 and 400 rupees. Those things were like little and not in a good condition. I was checking online and I found this website called Succulent Factory. They have this selection of like hundreds of succulent plants you can choose from, and they deliver it. I ordered 50 plants. I got carried away and the box just arrived, so we're gonna open it and show you. You can see it's a big box, like 2 boxes, 50 plants. Let's go down with it. Yeah, one more thing, they send the plant but they don't send it with the pots, so I'm sure it just wraps in plants. I ordered these plants on Monday, so it's a quick delivery. They look in good condition. So here's the first plant. These kind of look same to me, and the plants are wrapped in tissue paper, I'm sure. Box number 2, and it says do not rush. that was the last one. I'm gonna put some of the succulent now. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Phalanges. Phalanges. Who used to do phalanges? Phalanges. Someone used to do phalanges.